Here is the machine. As you can see, there is no spindle here. It was damaged, and when the damage was happened, the tool broke the glass. So we sent the spindle to Germany for the full repair, and we paid 40,000 euros for the full repair of the spindle. Here it is. It's disconnected. Here is what inside. Okay. I'll make right now the video from the back. Here it is. The machine is disconnected. So if there is a person who is interested in purchasing, you need to know that the spindle is at the repair at the Germany, and it will be a full repair. After it will be full repaired, it will be sent. It can be sent to a new buyer or to us if we will not sell it. Here it is. Here it is. This is a video of this machine as you requested.